Hello, good afternoon, and welcome. I think this is probably the only tech conference going on in the entire world today. So, so congratulations, Taipei. Congratulations, Taiwan, for your amazing handling of the virus. I think the rest of the world is looking to you on how you're handling it today. And congratulations to Edgar, Flora, and the whole team for putting together, Brian and everyone for managing to make this happen today in the face of everything. My name's Frank Min. I am a partner at the SparkLabs group. And obviously we have Korea, Taiwan, Australia, US, Hong Kong, Singapore, and many other places. But Taiwan is the focus today. So, T1. T1 are a recruitment platform. I've used T1 personally to launch and hire a team here in Taiwan, a tech team. And so what they do across Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Singapore is they go well beyond a recruitment firm. They have a clever, intelligent platform which makes scaling of recruitment very fast. But then they get into assessments. I've used them personally. They're excellent. They're very smart. They are the future of recruitment. So let's try that again. Let's welcome Edwin and the T1 team. Let's try that again.
Hi, I'm Edwin. I'm the CEO of Terminal One. If you're a CTO or an engineering manager out there, please listen up, because we've built the perfect recruitment firm for you. We know that hiring is a ubiquitous challenge for companies big and small. You want someone with the perfect technical skills and cultural fit to move your company forward. Because of this, companies traditionally have turned to recruitment firms to augment their HR and talent acquisition functions. Recruitment firms traditionally charge around 25% of annual salary. At Terminal One, for example, our average fee is $14,000 per successful case. This means a very large market size of around $600 billion, of which 16% is technical recruitment. However, it's getting increasingly difficult for recruiters and HR managers to find specialized technical talent like data scientists and software engineers. As a result, they're putting more and more candidates at the top of the funnel in order to make one hire, which causes engineering teams to spend more and more time in the interview process. When we talk with some of our clients, they tell us that they're spending 20 to 50% of their time just purely interviewing candidates. So if you're an engineering manager who's stuck in stuffy interview rooms, working with recruitment firms, and wading through a swamp of unqualified candidates, relax, because we understand your pain, and we've built a solution for you. I'd like to introduce Terminal One, the best recruitment solution for discerning CTOs and engineering managers. How does it work? Imagine if your recruiters were supervised by top-notch engineers that could give them training and direction in terms of which candidates were the best to search for. And what if, furthermore, they also did technical assessments so that you didn't have to worry about the quality of candidates, and they even produced detailed grading reports on every single one of your candidates' strengths and weaknesses. And finally, what if they could guarantee the quantity of candidates that they would send your way and provide you a transparent dashboard so you could see in real time exactly all the work that they're doing? Well, let me show you how it works. First, you'll be paired with a technical account manager who helps create your career page, as well as create job descriptions in our machine-readable language. As you select roles and skills for your job, it automatically adapts what technical assessment to use for your candidate. And finally, you'll have your very own dashboard where you can see every day the candidates that we're reaching out to and their response. Now let's see what it looks like from the candidate side. We spent a lot of time streamlining the candidate experience. It only takes 5 minutes to create a profile, and then you can do one of our 40+ technical assessments that we've designed to not just be challenging, but also a lot of fun. After doing one of these assessments, one of our senior engineers produces a detailed grading report on the candidate's strengths and weaknesses, as well as giving them tips on how to improve. From this methodology, we've served over 80 companies big and small, including big brands such as HSBC and Credit Suisse, to fast-growing startups like QuantiFeed, Sugar AI, and Equilibrium World. This has resulted in revenue traction of around 1.5 million in the last 12 months, and a capital efficiency of 87 cents of revenue for every single dollar raised. So what is the moat? Our moat lies in the technical assessments that we spent so much time polishing. We spent so much time making them the best experience that a lot of our clients are starting to adopt our technical assessments as their own. As a result, the candidates that are applying to them are creating a profile, are creating a T1 profile, and doing our assessment. We see this as a virtuous cycle where the more candidates that come on board, the more clients will adopt our assessment, and so on and so forth. Now, where are we going in the future? We've recently hit the point where we have hundreds of different jobs, and it's really difficult for our recruiters to keep track of all of them. The way that traditional recruitment firms would deal with this would be to segment every single recruiter so each of them knows 10 to 20 companies. However, this doesn't provide the best candidate experience because it's unlikely that any given candidate talking with a given recruiter would know about their dream job. So we thought, how can we use technology to solve this challenge? We've created intuitive software for each of our recruiters that teaches them how to pitch every single one of our clients and prioritizes which companies to pitch as soon as a candidate comes in. Let's see how it works. So this would be our candidate dashboard. We've tried to make it as simple as possible, just like call center software. As soon as a candidate talks with a recruiter, they get this dashboard, they see exactly how to pitch every single company, and it's already prioritized for them. Right now, it uses simple facets such as technical skills, salary, location, and visa eligibility, but then over time, we hope to add more complex facets such as personality, cultural fit, leadership skills, etc., because we want to serve not just technical roles, but also non-technical roles in the future. So how do we know so much about the problems that are facing this realm? It lies in our team. Our technical founding team have each been engineering managers before. For myself personally, I sold my last startup to Cathay Pacific Asia Miles, where I built a 30-plus team of data scientists, data engineers. Before that, I was in Silicon Valley working at companies like Google, LinkedIn, and Yahoo. On the recruitment side, we have over 100 years of collective experience at premium brands, and that's why we know so much about the challenges that face candidates, clients, and recruiters, and how we can use technology to improve the experience for all three. So if you are a CEO, a CTO, or an HR director, please consider giving the gift of Terminal 1 to your engineering staff so they spend less time in interview rooms and more time building product. If you're an investor, we would love to talk with you about powering your portfolio companies as well as investment opportunities. So to recap, we're Terminal 1. We're aiming to build the world's largest recruitment firm and the first one powered by modern technology, excellent recruiters, and a machine learning platform. Thank you so much.